Hey everyone, Jermaine here. Just want to give you an update on my lead gen secret. Okay. Um, a while ago, I had left my lead gen uh, secret because I thought it was a scam. But let me fill you in on something. I, I feel bad now because I was emailing the owner and the system telling me I want my money back and all this. But check this out. I'm back in full effect. This, I just wasn't using it right. Okay. The system is real. I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to show you results too. Okay. A lot of people, barking on here, oh man, these leads are fake and all that. They're not fake. Okay. I'm in the back of the my lead gen secret right now. And what my lead gen secret is a mailing platform where you get 100 leads a day. Okay. They give you 100 leads a day. Okay. Now if you go here, I want to show everybody's leads. You get 100 leads a day. And if you refer someone, you get 200 leads a day. As you can see, I referred someone. Okay. And the thing about my lead gen secret is you can do this as a business. You can promote my lead gen secret within the system. Okay. This is what's good about this. All right. And I'm going to give you some bonuses at the end, and I'm going to show you. Now, when people come in here, you're going to be, it's only one upgrade. They're going to option upgrade that they're going to permit to you. Okay. You don't have to do it. All right. And I'm going to tell you why at the end. You don't have to do it. All right. It's email swipes, master email swipes. You don't have to do it. Okay. With my bonuses that I give you for signing up here, you'll get 55 high converted email swipes. Okay. Unlimited email swipes, high converting social media post images, social media proof images, ClickBank sales proof images, full support, and be added to our group. Okay. So I'm going to show you the best swipes that work. Okay. And you have swipes in the back office that actually work. Okay. So let me just show you as an affiliate. And I'm going to show you that it works too. All right. My internet is messed up. Let me show you this. Now, this is the back office, your affiliate section. Okay. And you have your commissions here, as you can see. I made commissions, 2 commissions, and this is all from the system. This is within 2 days. All right. Of mailing out. As you can see right here. All right. And here you go right here. Tracking. You can put tracking codes. All right. I'm going to show you the page that we use right now. And I'm going to show you a system that I'm using also to catch leads, my own leads. All right. And I have sent this traffic to a capture page and got, capture page, opt-ins from this. All right. I put my MLGS for my lead gen secret. Okay. And this right here is the date that I sent that email off. Let me show you something here. Let me show you statistics. Look at the leads that you get in here. This our first start. This is my first email. All right, plain Jane email right here. All right, and you can get this out the back office in the affiliate section. All right, and I'm gonna show you which ones work. All right, so all you have to do is each day. Now I saved this up for 2 days before I sent the first one. Also, I had 200. Look at the open rate, 97%. 97 open, 48% open rate. Okay. That's a 48% open rate from the 200. 55 clicked. That's a lot of clicks. All right. 56% click open rate, 27%. 56% of the people that opened this, 55 clicked on the link. All right. And I got one sign up here and I got one sign up on my third email here. Okay. This one I added pictures. All right. I'm just showing you this. And you will get this in my bonuses right here. This is the exact ad copy. All right. Okay. And all you have to do is promote the system to them. If you want to do it, you can promote any product you want to promote. All right. I'm not telling you to promote this, but you get the affiliate section here. You get $5 for each person you bring in, and that's residual. All right. let me just show you. You get $5 residual. So anybody you bring in after that, you get $4. If they sign up somebody, you get $4 a month, and so on down 5 levels deep. Okay, so this is a good business, and I'm going to show you that members are making money with this. All right. Now here, like I said, the master email swipes is they're going to think it's $29 coming in, but like I said, I got a bonus for you. If you you can get them if you want, but I have bonus emails in my bonus section that I will send out to you once you sign up with me. Okay, all you have to do is email me at the bottom of this video. You'll see my email. Just email me once you purchase, and I'll send you out the bonuses. Okay. You got statistics here. So your statistics you send out each day if you want. And like I said, you got to think about it. If you refer somebody, if you don't refer somebody, you get 3,000 emails, subscribers a month. 6,000 if you refer somebody. So you get 200 a day after that. All right. So I mean, come on now. And all you doing mail, you can mail out any offer you want. JBZoo, ClickBank, any offer you want. All right. And you can test different ones, test different subject lines. All right. Like I said, I would have subject lines. And let me show you one more thing that's going to be in the bonus pack. Right here, you can generate. This is going to come in your bonus when you sign up with me. You can generate emails right here. Just switch them up. All right. You can go here, generate, just keep generating, and copy which one you want. Switch them up a little bit. If you're making $100 a day, you make it $200 a day. You can switch it up. That'll be in the bonus. Okay. And like I said, I do not edit my videos, so if I said something wrong, I'm sorry. This is so simple. Like I said, you sign up. It's $30, $60 to get started. It's $30 one time just for the sign up fee, and then it's $30 a month. All right. And as you can see, this is my second day, 4th day, and I already have 2 signups. All right. I need 4 more signups. It pays for the system itself. And like I said, you never know what the person is going to do after they sign up. They can sign up 100 people. All right. Let me show you something here. I just want to show you my capture page that I use. All right. Right here. This will be
a better way to promote your business.
This is my own lead capture page. All right. And you will go here. Let me show you. Right here, this capture page right here. You don't need a capture page system. All right. I'm just saying and we have a page, a special page that you can use. All right. That's making sales. All right. So let me see here. So you'll go to this page. This is my system that I'm using. This one. You can ask me about that once you get signed up. And this one. All right. I mean, this video explains everything, but we also have a free version. All right. Let me see. Excuse me for 1 second. Let me show you something real quick. Now, this is the page that we use. Okay. And if you come here, Steve Dawson. All right. He will actually sell this system for you. This is just showing his results. Okay. How 60 days he made 9,500. You come here, you see all these sales that he got, and you make money off the one-time offers too when somebody upgrades for the master swipes. Okay. And if you scroll down, you go to get started. All this will be credited to you. Your link will be here. All right. And if you go down here, you'll see all, how to add your link and your tracking on this. Okay. You can track Facebook, Twitter, anywhere you put your link at, and send them to this system. All right. You send them here. You can send them here through your email swipes too. You can point them right to this. But me, I like to get the ads. I like to get the emails. All right. So that way I can follow up. And either way, when you go to the link, let me show you. Once you go to the link on the sales page, the sales page, once they put an email, they ask for an email address. So once, and then the system will follow up for you with your affiliate code. Okay, so you won't lose any sales. All right, and let me show you that page because I'm sorry. Let me just show you that page real quick. We go here. And you can get paid out by PayPal, check, or Bitcoin. Okay. And that's a $30 minimum for you to get paid. Okay. For them to pay out. So let me see. Now you go here. This would be a sales page. All right. He would explain. He don't explain everything like the videos that we use. Okay. Like I said, this is one of the best ones. I like this right here, and my personal page right here that I use. You understand what I'm saying? So you want them to explain the system so people won't be asking a bunch of questions. All right. If you send them straight to the sales page here, you might not get too many leads, too many signups. But if you send them straight to this, no. But if you send them to the video page and all that after they opt in, or once you send out emails here, I started off with this page. It sells itself. Okay, to sell it for. That's how I got the 2 leads, the 2 sales. All right. And like I said, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Come in here. Let me show you the mailing thing. Here, all you have to do is come down here, select your leads. All right. Like I said, you get leads every day. Select your leads. Send from. I usually send from my name. All right. Even if you had saved emails, you can go here and just pick them again, and then you can change them up if you want. Now, see if I went here and hit that, right? Load. Right. See how I went in the subject line? Now it should be down here. See, it's already loaded for me. If I wanted to change something, all I had to do is go down here and change the address, anything you have. Image library. Don't use your own image library. You can use this. These right here has a lot of images you can put in your ads. All right. But I'm starting to see that the images, I sent the plain one out, got more hits than anything. All right. More clicks. And one thing, let me show you. Okay. Like I said, you can get, PayPal. This is how you get paid. PayPal, you just request it after $30 after you get a $30 minimum. Okay. You got some recommended advertising in the back here. You can put your links in if you sign up. And once you sign up, you put your link in. Look, I already got another click here, and before you know it, you got 50,000 leads you're sending out to. You're gonna make sales. Just test the emails. Just test each email. I'm ready to send this one out again because I only sent this to 200 people and I got 97 opens, 55 clicks. Imagine now I have 900 people. I'm ready to send this one out again because this seems like the one that's. And hold on, let me show you the ads. I'm sorry. Let me show you the ads. Back here in the affiliate section here, you have your ads right here. All right, just copy and paste. You can import it right to the mailer right here. Import it right to the mailer that I mailed out a second ago. You just import. All right, it'll go right, already set up for you. All you do is add your link. Okay, you go down there and make sure you highlight your link. Right click and you'll see a button. I'll show you in a second. Let me show them. But number 3, 5, and 8, I heard converts the best. Okay, in the affiliate section. So send out 3, 5, and 8. But let me show you something real quick in the mailer. Now, say if you wanted to highlight something, right? Make sure you highlight your link. All right, you put your link here. You put your link and you press OK. That way it's clickable, and you can always go down I can't mail out right now. Okay. but you'll see like you can preview it right here. So click the link at the bottom. Get started with me at my LinkedIn secret. All right. Thank you.